How it's supposed to
Great day guys! Welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel ng Justin Still Alive PH. Daming pa-etches ano. So ayun guys, for today's video is another video, another vlog ang ating pagsasamahan. So ayan, kasama ko ang aking kapatid ulit. So sa kami pupunta ngayon, pupunta po kami ng Tulay na Lupa at let's go, samahan niyo po kami at magtutour kami doon. Then dadaan po kami doon sa aking isang greenhouse pa po ano. So ayan, let's go and like and share po tayo.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide you.
So yun guys, dito po tayo sa kapuangan nitong house nito. Di, sa dulo. Tayo sa ating greenhouse. So let's check kung yun ay pakunti-kunti na, so tuyo siya. So kailangan itong madiligan, kulang sa dilig kasi yung aking kaibigan ay umalis. So yung aking kapatid pa bukas nga Jake. So diligan, sagad mo diligan po natin guys, kailangan kasi may moisture. Hindi ko kasi napuntang hapon na kasi ako hapon na ako naka-uwi. Sige, sagad mo. Wala. Hindi na. Oh, laksan mo. Sagad na ba yun? Sagad mo. Yan. Para ganito ay ano. May dilig. Kailangan niya ng moisture guys. Yan. Pa, yun. Bukas pagdaan natin dito, pag uwi natin, babalik din tayo dito. Meron ng mga tubo. Alam mo kung ano to? Tawag yan sibling. Ano yan? Kamat. Ito sili yan, sili. Ay, kamatis yan. Yung talong. Yung sili. Yun guys, yung ating tanim po doon na talong, pag gumanda yun, ito kulang to sa abono. Ayan, meron din mga tubo-tubo. Ayan, wala pang laman na tray. So dito guys, kaibigan ko meron din siya dito talig na talong. Uy, dami na oh. May tanim ako nasa 4 yatang talong. Sana guys ay uy, lalaki oh. Hihingin natin bukas. At yung kaibigan ko hindi na mahilig sa gulay, mahilig lang siya magtanim. Pang ulam na din yan oh. Yan ang kagandahan ng bakete na binibili namin. Talagang sulit. Sulit ano. Pag wala pang abunan. Pag ganun. So And guys, like and share tayo at tara na tayo ng Talel Kupa. Tara, let's. Pogi magyari. Ako mo taong. Yes, ka na lang. Kita. Lola! Ay, grabe, short hair. Ano short hair ka? Ah, grabe, parang Donya ah. Donya Diling. Donya Adila.
Nakapasalamin pa.
Ah, si Tita Marley.
Na
Alating pa lang kayo? Alating pa lang din kami.
dito, kami na. Nagkakamong pa si Kwa July.
May. Ay, ito kuya? Oo, sa akin yun. Tagal na yan. Tapang to? 20. Depende. Pag kinagat ka ng tapang yan. Since 2021. Ito kami guys. Sa akin ba? Eh, ba pa oh. Yun.
Sila yan din.
Sila yan. Uy, nawala yung ano, speaker. Heads mo nga. Ayun yung charger. Doon mo ang heads pa ka. Heads na dito kami. Pasan natin yung tala. Para makapasok ang...
Kailan tayo kayo pupunta sa mga ano?
Ako. Weekends na lang. Kaya kausap ko pa si Kuya Lid mo pag parang gawa. So yun guys, welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel ng Justin Still Alive. Yes, ayan. So, for the continuation, kadating namin kahapon ay di ko nakakayo na update. Pagkat ako inalibang na ng kakakwento dun sa akin tiyain, ano. inabot kami ng alauna. Kakakwentuhan. So, nice din kasi banding din po siya guys. Then, next is, magluluto tayo ngayon ng Mang Inasal. Ayan, specialty by Tita Marley, ng aking tita. So, bibili po tayo ngayon sa palengke dito. At kasamahan niyo po ako and like and share po tayo. Let's go. O, hybrid na manok, yung pinakamalaki. Isang buong manok, yung pinakamalaki.
Oy, sama sa vlog, madamit ako.
Pag na,
Kaya,
okay lang yan.
guys. Sama tayo sa vlog, guys. Puta, guys. Kamu daw, malaki.
Malaki. Mag-ilapisahin natin yung babae sana.
Ano mo?
Malit yan.
Ha? Wala ko yung malaki, guys. Wala. Awalin mo yung pagko.
Ilang kilo yan?
1.4.
Sige na. Pang ano yan, pang inasal. Ay di, wag naman ng ano.
Tingnan sa pin.
Wag na. Tubila akong carrots pare.
Kaya na yung gulo. Ang sarap tayo.
Repolyo 1/4. Wala na kayong ano?
Wala ko ito. Kasi mother ay. Ito po kalahati.
1/4 lang? Wala kayo 1/4? Hindi ako. Kalamansi. Kalamansi kayo tan? Ay, ito. Magkano dito? Magkano dito? Guys, tayo ng manok.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
So yun guys, welcome back again sa ating YouTube channel. So after po natin magluto, kumain, ay didiretso naman tayo sa bundok para pasyalin yung aking isang tiyain. So let's go. At this is the time para makapag-relax after na madaming gawain. So let's go and see kung ano nga ba yung bundok na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Tara. So ayun guys, let's go. Parang babagsak yan dito. Okay. Yan ko na sa taas. Saan to pa doon? So yun guys, let's go. Alin? Sige daw.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun. She puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlights, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Grabe yung bangin yun.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Te.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss me.
Ayusin ko tong yelo. Yeah, ayos ko tong yelo.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you.
Diyos, grabe yung daan dito.
Our first date, you're so fine. I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Sana umabot pa yung gasolina natin kasi tingnan nyo naman. Nakikimat-kimat na. Grabe. Mapansin nyo guys, grabe yung daan. Talagang batche. Sana hindi pa kayo nahihilo dyan. Taas-taas mo lang ganun, Jake. Oh. Dito siya ng daan dito. Pag ganun. Di ko nakita. Doon na mismo. Dapat.
Dito tanong mo na.
Ayan, masunod na lang ako sa inyo. Grabe yung daan guys. Grabe. Lulang-lula na siguro kayo yan. Ayun. Yun mismo. Yung may hollow blocks na yan. Ayaw pa maglakad. Kaya yan. Ata. Sinandaan. Daan. Wow, laki na pinapagawa ni tita. Ako nakita niyo yun guys. Saan yung daan dito? Kaliwa o kanan? Ito kanan o kaliwa? Oh, laki. Ganda. Ganda ng view. Ganda ng bahay mo ha, tito. Ha? Ang alin?
Kasama mo.
Ayun o, nagkakalakad. Ganda, laki. Ang laki. Guys, laki. Asita. Ay, Tita Lina.
May ulam na pala dyan. Kaya na nga eh.
Bless.
Sige na.
Sama ko si Jake.
Kasama si Pamangkin.
Ano? Pinawi ko.
Nagsulo.
Oo. May sinabayan siya.
May silba yan.
Okay, maganda dito at maaliwalas. Oh. Mapwesto kaya dito. Talagang Tita!
Ay,
Busy ka ngayon ah.
ay oo. Diyos ko na, alis ko na yung mga trabaho.
Jack!
Ala sila, Jing.
Andyan. Das ka kay tita mo.
Kakali ko, sige mo nga inaay na po. Masakrat. Ano?
So yun guys, ganda ng pasto nila dito. Dulo ng bundok. Sagana sa tubig. May kuryente. Peaceful nga kung iisipin. Saka kataasan yung pwesto ng bahay. Ayan. Sulit dito guys. Maganda. Ganda yung natayuan ni na tita. Kaya pagpipray ko to. Yung bahay na to na to be guided. Protectionan. The glory. Maganda siya guys. Maganda.